Hey, welcome back to my channel. Lashonda Capri here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning viewer, welcome again. As you can already tell by the title of this video, yes, I am about to attempt to try to recreate Nikki Tutorial's 2020 devil makeup look. Her Halloween look. She did this look about a week ago, and for some reason, I've been feeling like I can take on these challenges. I'm trying to get better at makeup and perfecting my craft. So I just felt like she was talking to me when she said, recreate the look. So that is what I'm going to be doing in today's video. I'm not even going to hold you guys up. I'm going to dive straight into this look. Before I jump straight to the video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Thumbs up this video. Make sure you turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. And let's go ahead and get into this devilish look. So I do not have the exact palette that Nikki Tutorials was using. She was using the Makeup Forever Flash palette, but I was able to get one similar to the exact same palette off of Amazon, which I will leave the link down below for you guys. And that is what I'm going to be using to get that red that she used all over her face and her neck. So I am ready to jump into this. I'm like super freaking excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the red color that is in the palette here, and I'm gonna begin to put that all over my face. So I'm just gonna scoop a little bit out here, put that on my face. Woo. And I can already tell this may stain my skin. I'm gonna start blending that in with my beauty blender. Okay, y'all, this is getting serious. Now, I don't have any cream red like Nikki Tutorials had in her video, so I'm going to be creative and I'm going to be using this Juvia's Place lip gloss that is in red. It's pretty creamy, and I'm going to use that to help redden up my face and my neck. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna stain the hell out of my face. Yes, it did exactly what I wanted to do. It's working. I'm not gonna be able to go outside. My kids are gonna be looking at me like I'm crazy. I'm crazy. But hey, it worked. The lip gloss worked. Lip gloss, lipstick, whatever. It's giving me that red look that I'm looking for. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same exact thing to my neck. People, it's time to do that to my neck. Hey, it's time for some concealer. I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer, just a little bit, just a tiny bit, just to conceal just a little bit, you know. I don't wanna look too crazy. As Nikki stated, she put a little bit of concealer under her eye. Okay, I think that was like a perfect amount that I put. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm getting excited about this. OMG. Okay, I don't look too crazy. Okay, girl, don't look too crazy. Take a little bit like she did and put it in the middle here. Just a little bit. Okay, y'all, I'm like, all right, I am liking how this is looking so far. Y'all, like, y'all know I say this every video. Like, I am still learning makeup. I am not a professional at all. And I am like so proud of myself, how I have not given up, how I keep going, whether it looks good, whether it looks bad. Your girl, I am just loving it. Trust the process, people. Trust the process. So now it is time to set my face. I do not have the Beauty and Bay Nikki Tutorials palette, so I'm going to go in with this Juvia's Place palette that I have, and I'm going to be using this color here called Ola or Oli or Ol. Not really sure what the name is. It's the closest I can get to the color in the Beauty Babe palette by Nikki Tutorials. So that is what I'm going to use to set my entire face. Okay, this is working. This is, oh my God. Okay, I was getting a little worried that I did not have anything similar to just, you know, set this in, but thank God for Julia's Place. Y'all, so much reddish has been on my face and I just do not see this coming off ever. Okay, now it's time to move on to eyebrows. Like Nikki said, we need a mean looking pair of eyebrows. So I'm going to be taking some Super Jet Black Eyebrow Gel and I am going to do the meanest eyebrows ever. This is the part that I was most nervous about, was the brows, but I got this. I always get nervous when it comes to like doing this type of stuff, but I know I can do it. I'm gonna go overboard with my brows a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next brow because I think if I keep messing with this one, I'm gonna mess it up and the devil is telling me to leave it alone. I have been having some crazy stuff happen to me for the past couple days. I will say that for another freaking video for you guys. Okay, brows on. Now I'm gonna move on to the eyes. I'm gonna take some of that cream makeup and put it on my eyelids as a primer. Now I'm going to be taking this Juvia's Place palette. I'm going to choose a color that's similar to the one that Nikki was using in her Beauty and Babe collab palette. And I'm going to be taking this color here and I'm going to be building it up right here in the front of my eyebrow, just like she does. I'm just now noticing my hands. Look at my hands and my nails. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think that color is definitely giving me the darkness that I am looking for. Yes, I'm liking that so far. Take that same exact color and I'm going to add some here. Now I'm going to go back in with that first red that I had to go in and blend all of this in perfectly together. Just blending, blending, blending. Now I'm taking this Juvia's Place palette. I'm taking this color here in the middle that is similar to that nice shimmery gold that Nikki used on her look. I'm going to apply that color in the center of my lid. Oh my God, look at that. Woo! Y'all, my goodness, I'm so excited. This palette is so pigmented. You literally only just need a dab. Okay, I'm going to be a chic devil. Now I'm going to go ahead and smoke out my lower lash line. I always get scared when it comes to doing this bottom lash because I do not want like a whole bunch of eyeshadow in my eyeball. And always I still end up getting makeup in my eyeball. Now I'm going to go ahead and make my black crosses and I'm going to be using this to do that. This does not have to be perfect, stated by Nikki. This does not have to be perfect at all. Okay, so far so good. Hopefully I can do the other side the exact same almost. And now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with a black liner to do my waterline here. I really need to invest in some more liners. I don't really wear a liner like that, but I guess I should start investing in some liners because this is like the only black I have in liner. Now I'm going to go in with that smoky color that I had earlier and I'm going to add that right in here along the cheekbone. Really get up in there. Yes, that is looking so defined. I'm going to take that same exact color and I am going to outline my lips. I'm just gonna bring it out a little bit for that creepy little smell effect. I'm going to be taking this lip color here, just a tad bit dark than what's around my lips. This is Urban Decay Blackmail. I'm just going to be taking a little bit just to darken this up. I'm going to be taking this red right here, and this is by Rimmel. Just kind of mixing those two colors together. Now I'm going to take some of that red color that I had earlier and just put it right along here to outline that definition in my lip. Now I'm going to be taking this red that I had earlier and I'm going to be just highlighting right here with it. Wow, y'all, I'm so freaking amazed with myself. Like, who is she? Honey, get into it. Okay, moving on. Now, Nikki used the same color as well that she used to highlight here to push it back to give it some definition. So that's kind of what I'm going to do here, give some definition. Okay, as you can see, the definition is there, honey. Yes. Y'all, I am so stoked about this freaking look. Like, I am just like so freaking stoked. Nikki added some like highlight around her nose and on her nostrils. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go in and start doing my white marks, like the cartoon effect that Nikki was going for. I'm gonna take this here, white here, to do that. Guys, this is nerve-wracking because I am not really good with paintbrush when it comes to my face. So let's just give it a little swirl. Guys, this is very hard to do because the red is mixing in with the white, which is not what I needed, but we're just gonna make it do. No lie, y'all, I've been sitting here so long, my legs are hurting and falling asleep. So y'all, please, if you haven't already, smash that thumb button, smash the like button right now. So guys, do me a favor and smash that like button right now, because your girl is hurting for this. Okay guys, this is looking okay so far. Everything is not perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm not gonna beat myself up because it's not perfect. I'm just gonna move on. Oh my god, y'all, I cannot believe I'm actually doing this. Now, she didn't show this part when she did the video, but I noticed that she added some white into her crosses, so that's what I'm going to do as well. Okay, I am all done with the makeup. Now I'm going to do something with my hair. I do not have the contacts that Nikki tutorial have. I'm just doing what I have. So I'm going to do something with my hair and I'll be right back. This is the finished look of Nikki Tutorial's Purge / Clown / Devil makeup look. I think I did a great job. I think it came out great. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. And guys, do me a favor, tag Nikki in this video. Tag her on here, tag her on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram down below. Let's let Nikki see this video in this look. I mean, it took me about 4 hours, maybe 5 to do this. Leave me down some positive comments down below. Thumbs up this video. Make sure you are subscribed. Follow me on Instagram. And like I say in all my videos, I will see you guys in my next video. Happy Halloween.